Hi there, my name is Fabio and welcome back to Dreamate Mullet. So today I'm going to show you how I made this Uncharted 3 decoder replica. I always wanted this decoder to add to my Uncharted collection, but unfortunately I didn't have the knowledge until now to 3D model a replica as detailed as this one. So in this video I'm going to show you the entire process of creating this replica. I'll start by showing you the video of modeling this replica. Then I'm going to show you all the pieces there are in this decoder and how I did it to assemble it. Now let's see how I created this replica. I started by modeling the ring piece because this was a reference for all the pieces of the decoder. To have reference of the measurements for the ring, I used a ring replica that I had. With this information, I could scale all the pieces with the same ratio as seen in the actual decoder. To make the modeling process somehow easier, I decided to divide the decoder into different pieces. This also helped when it was time to 3D print because I could print the pieces separated. When all the decoder was modeled, I 3D printed some pieces and laser engraved some others that required more precision on the details, like the inner circles. With all the pieces ready, I apply a thin layer of primer filler to smooth any imperfections the 3D printed pieces may have. This was just a thin layer because I didn't want to fill the engraved letters on the pieces. After that, I apply a layer of gold to finish painting all the pieces. The last process was assembling all the pieces. Here, I used a super glue to glue all the pieces together. To get more definition on the engravings, I brushed a bit of shoe polish on the pieces and then, with a sponge, removed the excess, leaving only the shoe polish in the engraved areas. This process added more definition on all the pieces, adding a more realistic look to this replica. And that was the whole process of creating this decoder. I'm really happy how this decoder turned out. I always wanted to add this piece to my Uncharted collection and now I finally can do it. A detail that I add to this replica that I think is pretty neat is to put the actual ring in this decoder and it fits perfectly, as you can see. Let me get a closer look. And I'm really happy about this little detail because it brings this replica all together. So this replica, like the journals that I did for the Uncharted series, is going to be on my Etsy store and I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check that out. As always, please like this video and subscribe to keep up to date with my models and support this channel. Thank you for watching and remember, dream on!